Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today I did this half cut crease eye look. Also I have used almost all the products from Calabar, and some of the products which I don't have of that same brand, I have used another brand for it. So yes, let's get started. I've already prepped my skin today, and I'm wearing lenses and starting off with my makeup. The first product I'm using is this from Calabar. It's a perfect match primer. This foundation from Calabar. It's a Mino Skin Radiant Foundation in the shade 003 Binge Mind. I'm mixing with this Calabar Cellular Dry Oil. I have taken this much amount of foundation on my hands. Now I'm gonna mix 2 drops of cellular oil in it. You have to mix this, and I'm gonna apply it on my face now. I'm using this beauty blender from Calabar. Now I'm gonna use this beautiful glitter palette from Calabar. It's Glitter Me All Dreamland eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna use this purple shade first on my crease. Now I'm gonna smudge it out a little bit. Again, I'm taking this Mino Skin Radiant Foundation from Calabar only to cut crease. Now I'm using this champagne glitter right here. Using this Maybelline brow pencil. So I'm using it with a brush. So first I'm gonna fill my brows with this pencil. I really like it for a quick application. I'm gonna underline my brows with this angular brush. Now I'm gonna comb my brows with this spoolie to take off any excess product that's left. Again, I'm gonna take the same angular brush to conceal my brows. So I'm taking this foundation again, and I am dipping it in. And just by concealing my brows, you can see the difference in both the eyes. This looks very prominent and sharp. On the other hand, this looks kind of messy and not so sharp. Concealing is very important to make your brows look more prominent, more sharp, to give it a nice shape. As you can see the difference right here. So concealing your brows makes a lot of difference. Now to highlight my brow bone area, I'm using this color right here from the same palette, but I'm taking it very lightly. Moving on to the face, I'm using this blush from Calabar 011 Bronzing Glaze. So one thing about this blush is if you apply it lightly, you can carry it in the daytime. If you want to carry this blush, the same blush at the night time, you can make it a little darker. That depends for what purpose, for what time do you want to use it. So yeah, I'm applying it on my apple of the cheeks. So when you laugh, so this area, this is called apple of the cheeks. So as you can see, I'm slowly building it up. You can use a little bit on your nose. Now to set my base, I'm using this Color Bar Timeless Filling and Lifting Compact with hyaluronic acid and UV filters, and it's in the shade 002 Soft Opal. When you open it, it comes with this powder pad. I'm using it to set my base. For under eyes, I'm taking this powder pad and then I'm dabbing it in. Now with this small blending brush, I'm gonna take this purple shade again and I'm gonna use on my waterline. Now again, I'm gonna take this glitter shade which I've used on my eyelids. I'm gonna use the same color under my eyes. Now on the waterline, I'm using this nude pencil from Sephora. I'm using this eyelash curler. Curling your lashes also makes a huge difference in your eyes. It kinds of opens up your eyes and gives your lashes a good length and a curl to it. I'm using this mascara from Make Forever. Now I'm gonna use this eyeliner pen. It's from Maybelline, the Colossal Liner. So I've made a very thin line. So I'm gonna take this shadow, this one, and using it as a highlighter. Now the look is almost done and I'm just reapplying my blush a little bit more. Now I'm using this nude pencil from Color Bar, shade 015 Burnt Pink. I'm using this Color Bar lipstick. It's Matte Me As I Am lip color in the shade 018 Delivery. It's a pencil matte lipstick. I'm mixing it with another Color Bar Matte Me As I Am lipstick in the shade 013 Leap. Mixing it with this. So this is the final look. I hope you guys like it and thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that you don't miss any notification when I upload my next video. Also, if you want me to do any particular look which you wanted, so comment below and I'll make sure I'll do it and post a tutorial on it. So yes, thank you for watching. Bye.